Barrelcraft's in the house!
Where?
Whoa,
Whoa.
that was nice. Okay, scrapity scrape.
Wow.
That's awesome.
I love it.
Paint remover spray.
Yeah, we tested this and it's
Could you do that to like
amazing.
a car?
with a car.
Yeah.
I think there is also yes, of course, with the car it's gonna work.
Okay, interesting. Okay. That seems like very dangerous. You could just like go down the street, someone if they didn't like someone, they could just like go up to their car, no more paint, buddy. That's
yeah.
it.
And they can burn your car as well.
I mean,
they
yeah,
can do
I mean, you can
everything.
do. I
you
know, but it's just I'm just saying you wouldn't think about it. It looks like a time machine
Time machine
or like a time capsule or something.
Barrow time machine.
Barrel time machine.
Why not?
It reminds me of Fallout. You know, that video game about the future.
Yep.
You know, after a big explosion.
Yep.
They have these little units that you could rent out space to be protected from the explosion. So it looks like that. Now he's making a couch though.
Maybe. You know? Is it kind of sofa?
It looks like a kind of sofa.
Okay, looks vintage.
It does look pretty vintage, yes. Ooh, this is nice.
Okay.
I like that. That would be really good in like a den or like if you have your own bar in your house, you could do like a little house bar vibe. It's nice.
Okay. For your garage.
I give it like I would give that an 8 out of 10 probably.
7 for me, yeah.
Okay.
That's fine.
That's respectable. Ooh, now it's got a cat, now it's a 10. Easy. And it's a cute cat.
It's actually like what? Some tea. Yeah, it's a garage. Different one. It's nice.
At first I thought it was a CGI cat. I was like,
Seriously?
is that a real cat? Yeah, oh buddy, anger issues.
Just throw it. Oh!
Wow, this guy looks like a powerful man. He looks like if he were in a video game, he would drop legendary loot.
For some reason, it reminds me. This is seat from Man in Black.
Yes, yeah,
in
where
the
they turn around and
yeah. I don't know, but
aliens stuff. Yes. So spray paints. Is it just gonna be a seat, or are we doing some special stuff to this? Whoa.
What is this for?
I guess it's to
dry.
maybe. Maybe it adds some effect to the paint. I don't know.
I didn't get an idea.
Like a metallic shine, chic shine.
Okay.
Yeah. It looks cool so far. It looks kind of like a Christmas chair now. Is he Santa Claus in the summer? Does Santa Claus have a ginger beard in the summer and then it goes white during winter?
Oh boy.
These are the questions we need to ask.
He made some gifts for the big boys.
Yes, exactly, yeah. Christmas is for the kids. Summer's for the big boys and girls.
Yeah.
Okay, leather. We're gonna have a leather finish on this thing.
Okay, I hope he gonna cover all these rough edges on the.
I think it'll be. I think it'll be pretty good. Okay. What is this for? To measure out the. That's smart. Cool.
Oh. Okay. Good job.
Okay, a little staply.
More.
Interesting. This is an interesting cooking.
yeah. It's what
crafting method is what I wanted to say. This is an interesting cooking method too. If he eats it, then I'm gonna be really surprised.
Yeah.
Houston crew, nice. My uncle lives in Houston.
Serious?
I think so. Or Dallas, something like that. One of the Texas places. Ooh, he has so much power with one little flick. He can just take off any bottle cap. Amazing.
Powerful man.
Powerful man. Final boss energy.
What is this?
Ooh, this time capsule again?
Show us.
Is it another couch?
I don't think so. I'm not sure.
Maybe like that would be a really cool like a cabinet or something, you know? Like if you have multiple layers, you could put make a little bookshelf or something. I don't know.
Okay, I thought about shower.
A shower, yeah. Could be.
Kind of.
It looks a little short for him. Maybe.
No, it's right for him.
Yeah, but then you have to have the mechanism on top as well. Maybe.
That's true.
It looks like it's a seat again. This man just loves leisure.
Okay, just another style. Why not?
But I think he's gonna add a twist onto it this time. We're gonna see something weird now.
I hope so.
Boom. It looks.
Yeah, he's supposed to. Oh.
Oh!
It's a watch.
It's a big clock.
Oh.
All right.
Just
That man's
God,
clock is
ever-
massive. Okay. Maybe he's just making a whole room out of barrels.
It would be lovely.
It would be a nice room. Yeah.
Yeah. I
A little weird. A little weird if you go to
garage
a room.
style,
like-
but
yeah.
I mean, not a. I'm not sure if your wife will appreciate it.
No, yeah.
If you have whole furniture in this style, just imagine.
I mean, at least it's this and not like, toys or something where he makes all this furniture out of doll heads. That would be creepy. His wife should be appreciative of his hobbies.
Okay, if you look at this.
There's that
from
one
this
guy
side.
who used to make furniture out of people, so much better to do it out of barrels.
Excuse me?
Yes.
Out of people?
Have you seen the movie, what is it called? Silence of the Lambs?
No.
Okay, don't.
Okay.
Buffalo Bill? Okay, don't.
Okay.
Don't look that up. Forget I said anything, it's okay.
It's okay. I need to write it down. When somebody say don't watch.
Ooh, that's a nice little table. I like that setup.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
Cool.
Wow.
Chilling out with your
Lovely.
bros, having a brewski in the shop. Heck
Oh,
yeah.
no. Okay, another thing.
We got another team
Okay.
of barrel people.
So,
These barrel people are really popping up left and right now. They're gonna take over. Forget cars. It's all about barrels now. That's the new hobby.
it's in our world.
Something about silver and blue looks really good. It's just like a good color combination.
That's true.
Okay. Do you have any ideas so far?
I'm just in a thinking process.
Okay. Sorry, I'll let you think.
Are
Are you done thinking yet?
Yes, it's I don't know, a timing machine.
Oh my gosh! We knew it from the start. I'm thinking that it's gonna be maybe a cool table or a sink. 'Cause 5 Minute Crafts really like
Sink.
sinks.
What if it's some oven for cooking?
It could be. It could be. It could not be.
It's
It could
Yeah,
not be.
that's
It might
everything.
be.
It's maybe.
Maybe. Yes. No. Aquarium.
Wow.
If 5 Minute Crafts is good at anything, it's making aquariums and fountains and sinks.
Fountains, it's could be, but on the walls.
Ah.
Which is,
What are they doing now? Is it like a maybe a grill? Is it a grill?
I also
It's
came
a
up
grill!
with this. It's
Maybe.
definitely.
Or
It looks like a grill.
Mm.
Okay.
Or another option,
Yeah.
it could be a cooler, like a drink cooler, and then you could pull it out, and it has a tray for like holding
okay.
drinks and mixing and stuff, like a mini bar.
Okay, it could be. Oh no,
But
it's
it still could be.
yeah.
But I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a grill.
Actually, for
It looks nice.
cool box also would be nice. You
Yeah.
know, to have it on your yard and put some ice there.
Wow, that's
Wow,
cool.
it's a grill. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, homemade grill. Who needs a George Foreman when you got innovativeness, determination, and a barrel?
Oh.
Oh,
Another thing.
a
Wow.
gross barrel now. All right.
We switched to another thing with the.
Are we not doing enough with barrels? I feel like maybe
I feel as well.
I think
It's
we're
like
behind on the barrel craze.
the rest of the world. You know,
They're
makes
so ahead of
something,
us.
yeah. And we're just watching it.
Are they gonna make a barrel car?
Boat.
Maybe a barrel boat. Wow. Okay.
Okie. So one more.
I'm very curious. Maybe it's gonna be like a houseboat.
That would be awesome.
It would be really awesome.
That would be awesome. For me, I think it's like a boat. Just for.
I would be worried about maybe potential holes in the barrels. I don't know. It depends if they have the lids to all the barrels, because it looks like they found them in the wilderness, and you know how wild barrels are.
How they check them. But I love.
It's very cool, yeah.
Wow, such a handy girls.
Yep.
One of them, I know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
So they really can make it.
She's single. Moving on. So we
Yeah.
have a frame. Oh, they're making a houseboat. See, that's what it's all about. That's pretty cool. Ooh, and it's not even a houseboat. It's like a tent boat, a festival boat.
Wow.
Imagine how cool it would be if you had a festival where everyone's on like those handmade boats, and then you have like
on the lake, right?
yeah, just on the lake,
Wow.
and there's a bunch of different music playing and stuff, and you could like paddle over to the music that you want to hear.
I think I hear something about similar thing.
That'd be a dream.
But what would be else? Wow. Okay, such a nice chair. All about
More
reusing, right?
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Recycle your bottles into the
Ooh.
nice
Okay.
chair. Yeah. Wow.
All right.
Okay.
Interesting chair. I hope that fabric is waterproof.
But why?
That's really smart though, because if it falls in, for
Yeah.
example, then you can just easily pick it up, and it's not going to ruin the environment.
True. The practical side. Wow. Okay.
Very
Somebody
smart.
drug them, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Very nice.
Very good. Very
And
nice.
you can eat an apple on it. What? Amazing. I love the
Mind-blowing.
functionality. The functionality is infinite. It's endless.
Ouch. They just lost. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I'm just all this.
I like how they're like performing. This is performed in a controlled condition by actors. It's like
Yeah.
okay, chill.
That's always for.
Give us more
More reaction.
right now.